Struggling to share your Pipedrive dashboard with your team? Here is exactly how to grant access in under a minute. We will walk through opening the dashboard, finding the share option, selecting users, and saving. Let us start. So, you have built a really useful dashboard in Pipedrive. Maybe it tracks your team's deal progress or shows upcoming activities, but what good is it if nobody else can see it? Right now, it is probably only visible to you, and that is the exact pain point I run into all the time when working with sales teams. They build this beautiful view of their pipeline, and then they cannot figure out how to let their colleagues see it too. Let me show you exactly how to fix that. Step 1 is pretty obvious. Go ahead and open up Pipedrive. I am going to assume you are already logged in and you are looking at your main screen. Good. Now, look over at the left sidebar. You will see a menu with different options. I want you to click on Insights. That is where all your reporting tools live. It is the place where you build charts, reports, and of course, your dashboards. Click that. Once you are in the Insights section, you will see all your dashboards listed on the left. Scroll through them and find the specific dashboard you want to share. Maybe it is your weekly sales overview or your team's activity tracker. Click on it to open it up. And here is the thing people often miss. You need to give it a moment to actually load. Depending on how much data is in there, it might take a few seconds for all the charts and numbers to populate. I always wait until I see everything fully rendered before moving on. It just ensures nothing glitches out when we try to share it. All right, so your dashboard is fully loaded. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. See those 3 little dots? That is the menu icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. You will see several options in there. The one we care about is Share with Users. Go ahead and click that. Now, a new window will pop up. This is the Share Dashboard window. It is a small pop-up that will let you choose exactly who gets access. Give it just a second to appear. Perfect. Okay, now we get to the actual sharing part. Inside that pop-up, there is a field that says Search User or Team. Click on it to activate the search. This is where you can type in the name of the person or the team you want to share the dashboard with. In my experience, this search works best if you type at least 3 or 4 letters of the name. Just start typing. As you type, results will start showing up underneath. Go ahead and click on the person or team you want. You will see their name pop up in the field. If you need to add more people, you can repeat this step. Just search for the next person and click on them too. Once you have selected everyone you want to share with, look down at the bottom of the pop-up and click the blue Save button. That applies the changes. And that is it. Seriously, you are done. Now, everyone you selected will see that dashboard in their own Insights section. They can open it, look at the data, and stay on the same page as you. No more sending screenshots or trying to describe what a chart looks like over email. So now you know how to share a dashboard in Pipedrive. It is one of those things that is incredibly simple once you know where to click, but it is not always obvious the first time you look for it. If this helped you out, let me know. And if you run into any other Pipedrive questions, just ask. I am always happy to walk through it with you.